Hey, Austin Mayfield here. I hope you're doing great today. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up while you're at it if you enjoy the content. So wait just a little bit. Today I want to discuss why a lot of people fail to make money online, or fail with an online business, fail with e-commerce, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, whatever it might be. A lot of people fail because they give up too early. But why do they give up? They give up because they don't treat it like a real business. They don't treat it as if they have a brick and mortar 9-to-5 job. They don't treat it with the same respect as they do if they're starting out with their e-commerce, drop shipping business, or affiliate marketing business. They might start out as a side hustle, as a supplemental income to their 9-to-5 job. Nobody ever takes their side hustle as seriously as they do the job that pays their bills, the 9-to-5 job. It's just a mental block that people develop, and I think it's a contagious mental block. It goes from person to person to person. And that's why so many people fail, and that's why a lot of the really successful online, you just take the biggest online company out there, Amazon.com. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon and still the current CEO or head of everything at Amazon's day-to-day operations. When he started Amazon, he quit his job. He did something with a hedge fund organization, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but he was somewhere on Wall Street, had a good high-paying job, and quit his job to jump all in, both feet first, to start Amazon. And I believe that's one of the main reasons he was a success. It was more like a do-or-die situation. That is why I feel so many people fail online, whether it be business or simply affiliate marketing or drop shipping on Amazon or no limit products. People just don't take it seriously enough. You have to wake up and treat it like a job. Treat it like it's do or die. You either make money, you figure it out how to do it, or you don't, period. That's why at No Limit Products I take the affiliate marketing training that we provide when you sign up as an affiliate so seriously. I preach. People watch the videos, read the PDF documents, ask questions. We're here to help, and just you can't be afraid to learn, and you have to be a sponge for knowledge when you jump into the online space as far as making money with it and turning it into your full-time income. You have to take it very, very seriously. So if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Questions, positive or negative, let me know. Austin Mayfield. Have a great day. Thanks.